We're down in Kennebunk today. This is the location of a interesting and atypical restoration project. We're made aware of an erosion problem that had been exacerbated by ATV traffic. We normally allow snowmobiles and recreational vehicles to use our alignments, but in this area it's so sensitive that it's just not suitable. We worked to make a full repair of this mass wasting area, which was causing degradation of a local municipal water supply and affecting the protected habitat out here at the Kennebunk Plains Wildlife Refuge. A couple of the more notable species out here are the black racer snake. We didn't really encounter any of them, but we had to do surveys prior to working in these areas because it is protected. A grasshopper sparrow is another species out here that is sensitive. There's some rare plants as well that we did surveys for to make sure that they weren't going to be impacted as part of the work. We had to put in a head wall to hold up the recontoured slopes. The areas in back of us were more of a surface treatment. We mostly put down erosion control bark mulch to slow down the water so that it's not picking up all this sediment and transporting it down into the creeks. This water supply is critical to 25,000–30,000 customers. We work with the Maine Inland Fish and Wildlife, the Kennebunk Port and Wells Water District, and the Nature Conservancy have been just great partners. We're seeing firsthand how Avangrid and Iberdrola are fighting climate change and empowering this generation of leaders to continue fighting to save our planet. I just feel that we've really stepped up here and left the land better than we found it, and I think it's going to make a difference.